So okay y'all, we're gonna start with this wall right here, and this wall houses pictures of my son. He is in the United States Navy, and in this middle here I have like this flower wall decor. I purchased this from At Home. I think it was like $24. So I didn't know where to put it in my home. I just knew I liked it, and one day I was walking down the hallway and decided to put it here. And here is another picture of my boy, my baby. And on this wall house a picture frame. I took the picture that it came without and I put this fabric inside of it. I did both of them like that. This look is not permanent. My plans was to make this out of a gallery wall, but I didn't have enough picture frames to put all the pictures in, so I decided to do it like this until I get all the picture frames that I want. And in the middle there's my son again. He's getting pinned at the Navy ball, and that is his wife, my beautiful, beautiful, beautiful daughter-in-law. I love her so much. She is 8 months pregnant. They are about to make me a grandmother. The baby is due June 29th, and that is them. And then that picture again. And on the floor here, I didn't know if having a rug down on this floor would take away from the floor itself, because the floor is pretty neat. It's cool. I love the tile that's on this floor, but I decided to put a rug down anyway. So that's what you see here. And then at the end of the hallway you have my bookshelf. I purchased this bookshelf to go into my family room, but one day I was walking down the hall, like, it just looks so plain, and so I just had this bright idea to put this bookcase at the end of this hallway, and it worked out so neat. Like, I have stuff on here now. I don't know if it's gonna remain permanent, but I just can't get it together. But this is what I have so far, so I decided to go ahead and do my hallway tour. So okay, while I was recording this hallway tour, I did a few changes. Actually, my friend suggested that I switch some stuff around. So originally I had the L up under here. Actually, this whole setup just switched, and I moved that from down there, and I added a box and just put that thing on top of there. And I also added a seashell. So at the top I have this picture. I got this picture maybe about 2 years ago from Family Dollar. I had it in my bathroom at my old house, so I needed something up here. I just couldn't figure it out. I just put that up there, and then later on at Home Depot I purchased these plants here. I just took them out of the soil and put them down in water inside of this vase that I received from, I think, Home Goods. And right in front of that I have this cute clock that my son purchased for me on one Mother's Day, and it just has a personal message from him to me. So I have that, and right here I just have a sign that says family. My friend purchased that for me I think right before I even moved in this home. And I have this XO sign. I think I got this from At Home. And here on this shelf here I have the letter C, which is for my name, Charnell, of course, and this DIY candle holder. Both of these things came from Dollar Tree. I just simply glued the bowl on top of that little thing there and placed the candle inside of that. And I have these books that I purchased from Etsy. There is a link down in the description box on where I purchased these books from. And I have this little thing here that I purchased from At Home, a little plant. And right across from that I have this cute little candle holder. Has butterflies on the side. I really love it. And I have a candle on the inside of that. I have this cute little plant from, I think, Marshall's. Another book. And here I just have a little candle holder I got from Dollar Tree. I have a ball on top of it that I purchased from Pier 1. This sign that I got from at home. And these books I did myself. I painted them black. And I purchased these letters from Michael's, and I put the letters on the book, and it simply says peace, love, and family. And I have another fake plant there, and across from there I have another Tom Ford book, pineapple, and an L for Lanay, Charnell Lanay. That is me, y'all. So anyway, moving right along. Down on this shelf is another DIY candle holder that I made. I just took 2 of them this time and glued them together and put a bowl on top of that. And this cute little seashell that's really meant to be outside. My friend gave me that. She cleaned it up. And she saw that the gray was in there and she thought it would match really well on my shelf, so she gave me that. And I just have this owl sitting here. And across from that I got this little thing, I think that came from Marshall's. This little ring holder and another candle. And down here is all, it's just a little thing I got from my mom, memorial service, that Rose was also at her services. And this is something that my auntie gave my mom while she was on her deathbed, and that little thing back there came from Dollar Tree. And here I just have this little thing that I purchased from Marshall's. It was gold, but I spray painted it silver. And I got this box for like $4 from Michael's, and I have another owl. This is my hallway tour. Well, I hope you all enjoyed this video. I really enjoyed recording this video for you all. I am glad to start doing tours of my home. This is the first of many. Yeah, I am just so excited about this new series that's taking place here on my channel. But I also want to say thank you to all my old subscribers, to all my new subscribers, and to my future subscriber. If you're watching this video and you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. I will not disappoint you. Before you exit this video, please hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to smash that like button. Also hit the bell, that way you'll always be notified when I upload a video. So you all, until next time, until the next video, bye bye.